Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video I'm going to show you the hidden options with your Google Chrome browser. I call that the hidden option, but it is right click on the page just like that. I'm going to right click here. You can see all the options. And what options here? First we have back, which I can use the shortcut alt plus left arrow. And next we have forward, which I can use the shortcut alt plus right arrow. And here we have this forward, and we have this back. And also here you can get a reload, which you can use the shortcut as well, control press R. And also you can get the reload, and here you can see the click to go forward, click go to back. You can find it along with the address bar. And what next you're going to get here is that you can save the whole page in offline mode. If it is online, if you browse something and you want to save that in offline mode with your PC, then this is how you are going to right click here and click on save as. You can use the shortcut control plus S as well. And the next method that you want to save the page is that if I click here, you can see we have the cost, save and share. And from here, I can just click on save page as. And you can save this page in .html format, or you can save that .html as well. And next we have print. If I want to print this page, then I'm going to click here. You can choose your printer. You can see the preview right here, and the pages that you want to print, the layout, and here you can choose a color like black and white, and you can go with the color. And if I click on more settings, with more settings you can see we have page size, the pages per sheet, margins, scales, and we have options which I can include the headers and footers, and you can see the preview, and I can include the background graphics as well if I want to. If you include the background graphics, you can see this Google right here, but if I'm going to uncheck this, so you can see there is no background graphics that is going to be the preview for a page that you want to print that. Next we have cost. What is cost? If I click on cost, you can display tabs in other displays, display on another screen. If you want to display this tab in another screens, then you're going to choose a source from here. There's no sources available that I can choose to display. Next, you can search with Google Lens, and from here also you can search something, and you can just click here to search by image, or you can click search by voice with the Google. If you want to search with the Google Lens, from here you can just click. If you want to open this page in reading mode, then you can click here. So it's going to open this reading mode with the Google Chrome browser. And here we have view page source. If I want to see all the languages inside this page like HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, or any other language that is used with the page, you can just right click and click on view page source. I can use the shortcut control plus U. Just click here so you can see all the codes. Even I can see the CSS codes here, background image, this border high, all the CSS image you can see, and we have all the HTML codes. So this is for the web developer. I can just use to copy this, something like I'm going to select everything, right click, and I can copy that. You can search for that. And next we have inspect. The next thing for the web developers. Now you can see the page size here. You can see the responsive of your page. You can increase and decrease the size, and you can see all the codes up here. This is specifically made for any web developers that can use that in this browser. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or that, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.